You got a pain and directly got an MRI done without consulting a physiotherapist or an orthopedic surgeon or any medical professional, then this Wisdom Wednesday is for you. Almost every other day, patients walk into the clinic by doing MRI scans without doing any clinical assessment, hoping that the scan will give them all the answers to their pains. Unlike X ray or CT scan, there is no fear of radiation when it comes to an MRI, but it doesn't mean that you should keep doing it every time you have pain. Also, an MRI costs anything between 5 to 15,000, sometimes even 20,000, depending upon what machine and where you are getting it done. So, do you think it's wise to get an MRI done every time you have a pain or an injury? Also, MRI machines are different, 1.5 versus 3 Tesla, and this also affects the detail and the clarity of the images that you get. And poor quality imaging can sometimes miss certain injuries or over highlight some minor findings. So, what's the best way to approach an MRI and when to get it done? The best way is to first get yourself consulted by a medical professional or a physiotherapist. Depending upon that, have your doctor or your physiotherapist speak to the radiologist where you're getting the scan done to tell them a little bit about your clinical history and what they are suspecting to see on the scan. This gives the radiologist a direction of what is supposed to be seen. If this loop of communication is missed, then the radiologist will report everything that they see on the scan. They may be disc bulges, degeneration, meniscal tears, which may not actually be the cause of your pain. So, at the end, you have a report, but you also have a lot of confusion and a lot of fear because you are seeing so many injuries that are seen on your scan. Ultimately, you start treating the scan and you forget about yourself of actually why did you go for that MRI for. So, next time, please do remember, don't rush for the scan. First, go to your medical professional, get yourself consulted for your pain, and then get the scan done if it is needed.